Okay, so welcome to Financial Fitness Program. My name is Samir Bapat, and today we are going to learn strategy 3. So we have been for last 2 weeks we have been discussing about how to earn using earnings or quarterly financial results date. So uh, as we all know in last two webinars, how to use those dates so that we have when to look for which share at what time. We have that fixated like we have that pretty much good idea, so that we don't have to run around all the year looking for things. On our own we can do it. So that's how we are going to learn today. Sachin is saying not audible. Can please anyone confirm? It's audible, right? Okay, can hear. Okay, okay. Thank you, thank you. So today is part 3. So today we are going to learn the third strategy. How many strategies are there? Three strategies based on earnings date. Strategy 1 starts with 1 month before the earnings date. Strategy 2 is on the earning date, and strategy 3 is within 1 month after the earning date. So let's say today the company declared its results, and then after within 1 month, if we find something happening, we will be trading as per that. So strategy 3. So like I said, today I'll be straight away diving into strategy 3. I hope, can I have yes from all of you if you are very clear why we are doing this strategy, and you understand the base principle of this strategy, why we are looking at these dates. Can I have yes from all of you so that I'm confident I can straight away dive into the strategy? Yes. Okay. So what we have to do is simple. After the earnings date, let's say today was the earning date. So after earning date till 1 month, let's say if today is 25th of February, so from 25th of February till 25th of March, so for 1 month, uh, we will be waiting for a green volume candle. So there has to be a green candle with a volume double of average of preceding volume. What we did for the earnings day, same we have to do for any time within 1 month. As soon as we get that, buy above the green candle, stop loss is close below the low of that candle, and trail stop either with pivot low or book profit at 8 to 10% from the entry. Simple. How many of you are able to understand this by looking at it? If you have followed the first two, this is very easy, right? Can I have yes from all of you if you have understood? Yes? Then yes. Okay, great. Great going, guys. So let's straight away dive into an example. Okay, so, oh, sorry. So let's straight away dive into the example. Okay. So I have taken a good example here, and okay. So what I have done is I have marked few good examples for you to show here. Okay. So can I say here? I'll remove this. Can everyone confirm if they are able to see the Bajaj Finance this chart? Bajaj Finance chart is available. You are able to see that? Okay. See, this was the earnings date here. Can you see the earnings date here? At E is marked here, right? Okay. So it was on 24th May. 24th May to, we have to see till 24th June. Okay, so May to June, 24th June. Okay, 24th June is here. Now from this date till 24th June, we have to keep looking. Any time in between, it will not come on the 1 month. Any time in between from here to here, can I say this volume bar was double of average volume bar? If I draw a line like this, Can I say visually that this volume bar is double? How many of you agree? Yes? Okay. So what you have to do is you have to buy above this bar. Okay. You have to buy above the high of this. So this was the volume candle. This is the high. What I am doing is I am buying a share above that. It took 4 to 5 days. Maybe we are able to enter here. Okay. On this day, 27th. No, no, no. Okay. CP Sharma is asking bit was already double on 27th and a green candle also. No, we see, we wait for every day, right? Once we know earnings has occurred, so we wait for. So even before 27th, we got this double volume, correct? Correct, CP Sharma? So we don't have to wait till then. We got a double volume. We put a line, we put an order, and we enter here. Now, what is the stop loss? So every trading, any short-term trading, you have to have a stop loss. Okay, you have to have a stop loss. So our stop loss is any day if it closes below this low of the candle on which the volume was double, you exit. Everyone okay? Can I have entry and exit clear? Is the entry and exit clear? Can I have yes from all of you? Entry is above the high for the green candle where the volume was double of average preceding volume, and stop loss or exit is in case I enter and tomorrow the stock goes down, I should be exiting when it closes below this red line. Okay, and once I enter, our target should be either uh, the 10% of this. So 2155 plus 10%, how much it will be? Can I take 215 as 10% of this? 2155 plus 215, how much it will be? So it will be the 2370. So 2370. So 2370. Okay, somewhere here 2370. So my target will be 10%, or I can trail it with pivot. So this is pivot low. Once I enter, this is the pivot low formed. Again it has gone. This is the pivot low formed and all. So as long as it is above pivot low, I can be in the trade. So I can either exit after 10% here, or I can trail it with the pivot lows. You have to decide how you'll exit, because once you decide, you have to exit as per your exit criteria only. Okay. So Sachin is asking scenario if volume high on earning day and volume high again after 5 days. Yes, you can enter again. If there is a volume is high on earnings day and even after 5 days again double volume is there, then so you should enter. Definitely you should enter above the high of this candle. Okay. When its stop loss is the, this is the our okay. I'll cut it here. Vinith, can you see this candle? Please type yes if you can see this candle. Vinith Kapoor, you asked, right? Stop loss once again. Repeat, please. I am repeating it for you. Okay. Now, this is the high of this candle. If I remove this, this is where the volume was double. After the earnings date, this volume was double, right? The volume was double. Do you agree, Vinith, with this point that the volume was double within 1 month? Can I have yes from you? Okay, this is the candle, this is the high, and okay, this is the low. So we'll keep the low, this is the high. If it crosses above this high, we will enter. After entering, after entering, if it closes below this line, then we exit. Vinith, is the entry and exit criteria clear? First, stop loss. We'll enter here as soon as it crosses here, but we will exit as soon as it closes below this line. Okay, good. Then once we wait, we put our order, we wait, it has not crossed. Okay, fine, it has crossed on this day. As soon as it crosses, either we can exit in 10%. So this was the 10% we entered. we can exit here by earning 10%. So it happened in 3 days, well and good. Sometimes it takes more time. If you don't want to exit in 10%, you can trail it with pivot low. So pivot low, you will have to see the video of strategy one. I explained what is pivot low. This is the pivot low. So you can trail it with a pivot low. So but before entering, you have to decide how you will exit. Okay, how you will exit. Entry and exit should be very clear even before you put even a single rupee in the stock. Is that clear with everyone? Clear? Okay, how about others? Is it clear? Yeah, Paras is saying yes, it is pretty huge. So if you think it is pretty huge, don't worry, don't take it. Like, I'm only showing the this thing. In case you think it's pretty huge, you can apply the risk management per se. So you can keep the risk management. Can we not enter on 14th June? No. The trading plan is we have to enter above the high, and volume has to double. We see someone asked, can we not enter on 14th June? Tarun Chikara is saying, see, there are a lot of techniques. This is one of the techniques. So what we do is, it is like this. We have to wait for the signal, right? And once we have a confirmation, then we should enter, because we don't want our money to get stuck in the stock market. There is no fun in buying something and then our money is stuck, right? So on hindsight, it looks that it went up, but you never know whether it will go up or not. When the volume is double, you enter here, there is a high chance that you will succeed. Is that okay, Tarun? So let's see few more examples. Okay, so this is gone. Okay, so 16th. Okay, I'll delete these 3 lines. I'll show you the same example 3 times and then I'll take the questions. Okay, so if we go here, okay, if we zoom in here, see, this happened within 5 days. Can we say the earnings happened and this happened within 5 days? Can I have yes from all of you? This happened within 5 days. This is, we buy here, this is our stop loss. If it closes below this, we exit, we hold, we entered. Anyway, we have entered, we hold it till it goes to 10%. So 3758, 10% is around 4100. So we can exit after 10% returns. Everyone okay with entry exit criteria? Can I have yes from all of you who have understood? Okay, let's take one more example before we go for question answer sessions. Okay, okay. So you, okay, so there I have marked few examples. So no, okay. So we saw 16, 17. Okay, May also was their example. Then you have 19th of, this is one example where the volumes doubled. See, this is the volume, right? Here we would have entered on this double volume. Here it closed below. Here we would have exited. See, strategy 2 failed here, right? We bought here, it closed here, but again within 1 month we can enter here and we can ride the wave for 10%. Correct? See, this strategy 2 failed here. This went up, we would have entered here, it went and closed below the low of the candle here. Strategy 2 failed. After few days, again it showed double the volume, we would have entered here, ride the wave for 10%. Everyone okay? Everyone clear how to look for these trades? Okay, so if you are good, we will pause for a minute. And someone said Tata Motors. When was that? Tata Motors earnings 29 Jan 2021. Let's see. 29th Jan. Okay. 21. Okay, so it is recent. Okay. No, this will not count actually. Okay. Because this is not the double of the average of these volumes. This is almost equal to this volume. So this is not the double of the average volumes preceding. Will not take this. Pranay, is it okay? This is not the double than the preceding. It has to look double. Almost there are lot of candles in this. So if you have any questions, type in your name and I'll come to you one by one. Okay, I'll allow you to mute. Ashish, go ahead. I'll take 3 questions because this is a simple strategy.
So, Samir,
Okay, yeah, Ashish, go ahead. You can unmute yourself and ask the question.
yeah, thank you, Samir. So, Samir, just
You're
one
not
question. So,
audible.
hello?
Yeah, yeah. Now you're audible.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So, until we hit the 10%, we can consider the pivot, the low of the green candle, right? Beyond
Correct.
10%, then you have to consider the pivot low.
See, you when entering itself, you have to decide whether you will exit at 10% or you will follow a pivot low. You cannot keep both. Either you keep a pivot low as exit or you keep 10% as exit. Decide one thing and stick to it for at least 1 or 2 years.
Yeah, yeah. So, say suppose if I stick to 10%, in that case, until I hit the 10%, I have to just consider the lower wick of the green candle, right?
That's it. That's it.
That's all, right?
That's all. Yeah.
Uh, yeah. So, second question, Samir, if you don't mind. So, the example which you showed, right? The first one, 24th May to 24th June, I guess, right?
Uh-huh.
You can see. So there I could see even on 27th May the volume was double, but why we didn't enter at that point of time?
No, it's only within 1 month, right? Within 1 month, whatever we got, we entered, right?
No, no, but I think even 27th May the volume was double, so that's where my confusion is.
So it can be double anytime, right? I'm only teaching one of the strategies. There are 1,000 strategies.
Fine, okay, fine.
See, I am sharing with you one of the strategies. There are almost 1,000 strategies. So some strategy will fall somewhere or the other. Whichever is working, we are taking it. It's not that we cannot enter, but this works. First hit what we are getting, we enter. That's it.
That's what my point is. The first hit was actually 27th May and not, I think, at a later date.
2016.
I think 2016 or 17, I believe.
Okay, let's May. Okay, here this one.
Right, right. If you see 27th May, isn't it the volume double?
See, if you see from earnings and this, okay, you can take that, no problem. You can take that, yeah, because I was taking into consideration this candles also. So somewhere around it is there. So that's why to be on the safer side visually, I took this. You can take this also. If you can take this also, no problem.
No,
This is a
so
much better volume, I would say.
yeah, yeah, agreed,
Yeah,
agreed.
yeah,
Okay,
yeah. Okay,
thank you.
yeah. Yes, Sachin.
Yes, thanks, Akmi, for the session. See, I wanted to check whether moving average will play any role here
No, no.
or
Here straight away volumes and enter. That's it.
enter. So
Yeah.
no